If you're looking for a side dish that doesn't contain carbs, here's an idea. Here's what you need: a large aubergine sliced, some pepper, garlic, olive oil, tomato puree, salt, and a dash of sugar. To start with, I've wrapped the slices of aubergine in some paper towel and then I've microwaved them for a couple of minutes. The difference you'll see is that instead of being hard, they are bendy and soft. I've covered a baking tin with some baking paper and I've put some olive oil on this. Now I'm dipping each of the slices into the olive oil and putting it onto the paper. Now they're ready to add the flavouring. In a bowl, I'm putting a few tablespoons of tomato puree, and to that I'm adding pepper, salt, a little bit of sugar, and then some crushed garlic. Mix it all in and then make it smooth by putting in some olive oil. Now you're ready. I'm brushing the tomato mixture over each of the slices, and then I'm going to put them in a preheated oven, 190 centigrade, 375 Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes, turn them over, and then you're going to cook the other sides. This is what makes aubergines tasty, long cooking. After another 10 to 15 minutes in the oven, this is what they'll look like, and they'll taste a world away from those half-raw aubergines you get served in restaurants. You can add a bit of extra tomato sauce, and if you want, a little bit of pasta underneath. I'm cooking some raw pasta, which takes just 3 minutes, and I'm not using nearly all of it. What I've done is I've just put a small amount under the aubergines, and I've got some mozzarella cheese to put on the top. Cooked under a hot grill for 2 to 3 minutes, here's what you get: a small meal with only a little bit of carbs for 2 people.